this video, I'll show you how to video call on WhatsApp. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. If for any reason you want to video call your friend, your family, anyone, head over to your WhatsApp, right? This is WhatsApp chat. I'm going to click on it. Once it has opened up, you can see this video call icon right here. So what you're going to do basically, you're going to click on the video call icon, right? So once you click on the video call icon, you're going to currently video call the person. So I don't know, if I click on it, I might show my face might show up. So I don't think I'm gonna click on it, right? Not at the moment, not now. So that is how you can video call someone here on WhatsApp. If you want to do the helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Remember, what you're gonna click right now is this video call icon. There's the voice call, there's the video call. So click on the video call if you love to do this. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the very next one.